in with my friend.
Yeah, man.
Stomach in.
Tuck in. Anyway,
yeah, nah,
so
yeah.
today I'm chilling with Lulu, and we're going to talk about Lulu's desired interior style. So normally, like, you're an artist, you create beautiful artwork, photography, but I would like to know, like, do you have taste when it comes to interior design?
I see my work in every home.
But in a sense of, like, if you would say, like, what is your interior style? Because we know there's like bohemian, there's
I'm colorblind, I don't understand.
So you don't have style when it comes to interior design.
I just want it to look good.
But what are,
like this,
what are you
like
growing
this.
to?
This looks good.
But it's not an interior design style.
It is.
It's an art piece in a space.
Why are you confusing me?
I'm not confusing you. Let me show you about, like, there are styles when it comes to interior. You have your bohemian, you have your mid-modern century.
Okay. I'd like the industrial farm style. Like if I were to have a
industrial
home.
farm style. I feel like that's a combination of like two styles. So you like industrial and you like
and farm. Like how do you put that together?
You can put it together if you design your space well, but also, like, which one would you want it to be like more prominent in terms of features in the space?
Industrial, like the.
So more like a collective or a collector.
I'm a collector of arts.
Because if you're going to
take it back. I'm a collector of arts.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you're saying you're minimal, industrial, you can easily achieve industrial when you're going minimal. But if you're going farm style is like collective.
But you guys have both in one. Like you guys have the farm style. Look at the wood.
But we are, because we're not minimalist.
You guys have everything, even no bohemian ulap.
We like collecting. We are a collector of good things. The coffee table alone is a collective item.
This is farm.
It's more like a floor of a ship, old ship, and they made it into a coffee table.
Okay, keep telling yourself that.
Yeah, but basically what I'm saying is that we're not minimalist. I'd say Ukaya is more of like almost like minimalist.
No, Ukaya is very minimalist.
But he's not getting the option because I'm a collector of things. But I also say, like,
you're a collector some sort of trash. We have to go and look into bins to create the things that you want to do.
But that's what you've done.
You're a collector of trash, my friend.
But the trash doesn't turn nicely.
It does.
Exactly. That pot plant was part of it trash, but it's beautiful. Someone didn't see a use for it. I saw a use for it. I changed it up, and it looks good.
Can I say this on camera? Why do you guys have a fish tank? You know, I love fish tanks, but I hate them in the sense of you are restricting the fish. This is all you can do.
But which one would be better for them to stay
if they were in a pond or ocean or whatever, they can be you. But then now you're restricting the fucking thingies.
But wouldn't you say that it's better to have people that take care of them than to be in an aquarium in a shop and they die? Because they die. If it's little aquarium in a shop, they die.
The system is rigged.
But then we shouldn't say that it's better for someone to adopt them. Like you adopted Ufrisky. Because we would say Katina deserves to be in the wild.
Ufrisky, I used to leave the windows open, the door open for them.
Because that's what they're used to.
I don't know how he identifies.
I don't buy frames, I do my own frames.
Are you done with it? It looks so beautiful.
Is
that like newspaper?
But I need to add like gold leaf on it. So once I add gold leaf, then it's going to be complete. Gold leaf, you see the gold thingy on those artworks? Then it's going to be on the body.
Also the thing that goes into food.
Yeah, it's going to highlight the body features of the figure. So that's what I'm going
it's
to
like
do.
you pay 250 rand for a piece of meat and then they just put gold. Oh, it's the gold leaf. Ugh, I hate gold leaf. I hate it. Like, why are you making things fancy?
Basically, Ululu style is like industrial. It's like industry. It's about like consent or no consent. But
I don't consent to this video.
Well, you consented when you signed the
I didn't sign anything.
The friendship non-disclosure. You signed it mentally, but anyways,
fine print.
Fine print. Why sign? So,
I didn't sign
anyways,
anything. Okay.
Guys, if you want more of this kind of videos where we just sit and we ask people about their interior design tastes, then there's going to be more coming. Even though cameraman Nai is still going to be part of it. So Ululu, we know that she likes industrial farm vibe, minimal, on the minimal side, but the more prominent side is more on the industrial side, of which I understand. Like, I see like exposed brick on the walls. I see metal. I see like furniture items that are like brutal. So we're there on natural wood, in a sense of like farm vibes, like driftwood kind of coffee tables. But anyways, I go up. But yes, see there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe for more videos like this and everything and anything beyond that. So 2020.
Are you using me for your YouTube vibes?
I am.
I thought we have a conversation.
But was it not natural? Imagine this was uncomfortable if you are feeling me.
No, then I would say no.
Well, too late now.
I don't consent.
You consent why sign up in the head office? Contract money adjust.
That's for the head office. I love it.